It's a rainy, rainy morning. Because it's a rainy day today, no outdoor activities for us. Maybe later we'll see if the rain stops. But for now, it's all indoor. And we are here in the mall below the train station. This is Taipei main train station. And hey, our topic for today will be all about top 10 reasons why you should visit Taiwan now, today, not later, but now. Reason number 10 why you should visit Taiwan. You can buy all the socks that you want in the train station, and they're very cheap. You know that? 120 NT for 4 pairs of socks. That is cheap, and they're good quality. I actually already bought one for me. So you should look for the socks store in Taiwan. Here in the train station. See? Top 9 reason why you should go to Taiwan today is because it is visa exempt for many nationalities, including the Philippines. So my dear co-Filipinos, my dear countrymen, until July 2024, we are visa exempt in Taiwan. So come now. Don't wait any longer. Okay? Top reason number 8. This is a lovely time to visit Taiwan in terms of weather, because you know it's summer, and actually this time of the year, July, August, is rainy season. But hey, don't worry about the rains. Why? Because you can buy umbrellas which are very cheap. They're expensive, but there's also very cheap umbrellas. Actually, I just bought mine for only this is 200 NT. So I can use this because it's raining today. Weather is beautiful. It's very humid in summer, and even if you go in winter or in fall, you don't really need super thick winter clothes because the winter here is not as harsh as in temperate countries. This is a sub-temperate or a subtropical country. So there you go. Alright, reason number 7 why you should visit Taiwan sooner than later is because you can actually get good food. Isn't that crazy? And not only that, you can get good food for much cheaper price. Take this for example. We are in the train station now, hoping to get to places, but because it has been declared a non-working holiday because of the typhoon, we are now stuck in the train station. And you know what? All of the restaurants, almost all, are closed. But hey, we found one. Thank you, Lord. We found one bento shop that sells food. And you know how much each costs? Just 80. That's much cheaper than the regular price of food in the train station. So 80 NT, Taiwan dollars per bento, and it was a lot. Rice, veggie, there's tofu, and there's meat there, big slice of meat. So just for the 4 of us, we paid 280 times 320, and then we got some drinks, water and tea. So it's all good. Cheap food. If you're in a hurry, you get lost or you get stuck somewhere, you can find cheap food. All right. Reason number 6. If you are an electronics buff, you are an iPhone heavy user, hey, this is the place to shop for all of your electronic needs, from cameras to all sorts of gadgets and things like that. There are, of course, high-end tools, equipment, devices. There are also, affordable ones. But you know what? If you go to a simple store like this and you need, say, a phone case, all you will find are phone cases for iPhone. So I'm guessing, is the entire Taiwan iPhone user? Maybe. Definitely, you can find them here. So, come to Taiwan for your electronic shopping. So Nikki just got a new case. It's just a simple case to replace her case because it's already yellowing. So she's going to use it now. My sister had to have her case and screen protector changed because her phone really looks dugyot or very, very used. They clean your phone very well before they put on the screen protector or the tempered glass. Wow.
It's like an art.
Huh?
It's like an art.
Yeah. It's a process. She told us it will take 20 minutes and we're fine with it. And now we can understand why. It's not just the usual thing that we do back home where they just clean it, wipe it with that lint-free cloth. This one, it's a process. There's a cleaning solution, and then there's wiping, and then there's more wiping with a sponge, green sponge, or orange sponge, and then there's another type of cleaning solution, and then more sponging, because you really want to remove the grime and the dust before putting that protector on.
May butas lagi.
Oh, she has all the tools. Yeah, it's simple in back home. Yes, exactly. And they just use their finger.
Very meticulous.
Yeah. Yes. It's
Unlike
really,
sa
they take
Pilipinas.
time to clean it. That's why she said it takes 20 minutes.
That's true.
Yeah. The tempered glass is set, and now she's doing another cleaning on the tempered glass this time. Wow. So the phone looks all brand new. Final stage with another lint-free cloth. Wow, good as new. All right, so let's check it out. Put it on. And ta-da! Oh, it's adjustable.
Yes.
Oh, cool. So let's see. There you go.
Brand new.
Okay, model it for me.
Hindi na siya mukhang dugyot.
Hindi na mukhang dugyot. Exactly. Yes. Happy.
Happy home.
All right. Reason number 5. As long as you know how to read maps and use Google Maps, of course, then, or some other online map, and you have Wi-Fi connectivity, then you can get to all the little alleys and nooks where there are really a lot of good stores, small stores, from, you know, leather bags to good quality items, and you can find them in alleys like these, in streets like these. Just follow Google Maps and you can do all that on foot. You don't have to go far, as long as you are in the center of the city. So let's see. Zach brought us here in this little place. We really don't know where we are, but hey, look at that. You don't see a lot of people today because, as I've said, today is a non-working holiday due to the typhoon. But many stores are still open. Okay, so let's take a look here. In short, there is a shopping center for anything that you want to get in Taiwan. Sir, we're just doing a short stop because Zach has to change lenses again. Are you getting tired? Oh no, your battery. Okay. So we got to this little alley where there is a tiny noodle soup place. We just had our lunch, so we're okay. But you see, pretty much closed today. We still don't know where we're heading, but we're having fun. We're having fun discovering stuff here in Taipei. We are in a toy store. This is 101 Toy Kingdom. And okay, the kid in Zach is getting excited. Reason number 4 is it's very easy to go around the Taipei or nearby cities because of good transportation system. So right now we're in the bus. We came from Ximending we are now going to Ximen, and it is 5 stops away from where we got on the bus. These news, so let me just show you this. Hold on. So I use this card, which is an easy card. So I use it to pay in stores, in convenience stores, in some stores, not all stores need this, but basically in the train, in the bus, and I believe you can use this for taxi as well. So you just top it up with some money, and it's like a debit card. So very convenient. Aside from that, as you have seen in my other vlogs, there are, you know, the metro train is, oh my goodness, it's so convenient, very accessible, and transfers from one line to the next are very easy, and it's just convenient. So you have nothing to be afraid of, especially if it's your first time to travel in a new country, because it's so easy to move from one place to another. Your mobility is not that bad, and a lot of people just walk. So we have done, 10, 11-minute walks, and it's not that bad. Just make sure that you wear comfortable shoes, and you have comfortable clothes. You have the proper outfit for the season and the walking. There's my sister and okay, there's our bus, and we are now in Ximen. We have to cross here. Alright, it was fun using the bus. We are in our last day, and we used the bus for the first time on our last day. But at least now we know how to read the bus sign. So we are still in Ximending, and we went inside this building. What's this called? Shinjuku? It's one Yan building. We're on the 4th floor, and we're here looking at model toys, or I guess you assemble them. This is Zach's. Zach is looking for something, and he found it. He found it here in the store. Yeah, here. See? All toys, and they're collector's items. Some are Gundam, Build Fighters, airplanes that you can assemble, and all that stuff. So now, of course, if there are toys, there are clothes, there are electronics, there are also, what do we call this? Cosmetics and skincare products. And now we are in Nikki's happy place after going to Zach's happy place. What are these? I don't know. Don't ask me. Ask Nikki. I'm not that big user of skincare products. I'm a very simple person. But my aspiring dermatologist is, she's researching on all this stuff. We are now in reason number 3 why you should travel to Taiwan. You could win 5,000 NT or Taiwan dollars. That's a lot of money. How do you do that? You know, the Taiwanese government is having a raffle of 5,000 Taiwanese dollars, and you sign up for it. If you have watched my second vlog for this Taiwan adventure series, then you have seen how to participate or join the raffle for 5,000 NT. So hey, who doesn't want to win that amount of money? All right, right now we're having dinner in this local restaurant, and we're having fried rice, oyster soup, and fried milkfish. Bangus, one of our favorites. This card, we could use it for getting on the train, bus, or even taxi. We could use it in convenience stores, 7-Eleven, even in Watson's, pharmacies, certain pharmacies, and certain stores in the train station. So this is shopping money. Yay! Ooh, fried milkfish. All the fried rice that we have tasted in Taiwan, they're all very, very good. This is bacon fried rice. That is salmon fried rice. Awesome. They're delicious. Okay, so what is a trip to Taiwan without without trying the milk tea? Because this is where milk tea originated from. So we're in this little milk tea matcha shop just at the entrance of our hotel there, and we just ordered, what did we order, my dear? Pearl matcha latte in ice. So she's making it now. Oh, that is huge. I didn't realize it is huge.
Mamaya, I'll film myself cooking.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Yum yum. And this is the pearl tea place. There you go. Reason number 2 why you should travel to Taiwan now is the sightseeing places are awesome. And not only that, you can actually get to one place, one tourist place to another very easily. It's awesome. The transportation system is awesome.